Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Why are you teaching the Radha Krishna consciousness?
Because you have forgotten. That is your natural position. You have forgotten the service of Radha Krishna. Therefore you have become the service of Maya. You are a servant of Maya. Your senses. Therefore I am teaching that you are serving your senses. Now you turn your service to Radha and Krishna. You will be happy. Service you have to render. Either Radha Krishna or Maya. Illusion. Senses. Everybody is serving to the senses. Is it not? But he is not satisfied. He cannot be satisfied. Therefore, I am giving them the right information that service you have to render. But instead of serving your senses, please serve Radha Krishna, then you will be happy. Your position as servant remains the same, but I am offering a good service. If you don't serve Radha Krishna, then you have to serve your senses, Maya. So your service position will remain, even if you don't serve Radha Krishna. Therefore, the best instruction is that instead of serving your senses, your whims, please serve Radha Krishna, you will be happy. That's all.
Before this question was asked, we were talking about the slokas that Lord Chaitanya wrote for us. I can't understand. On one hand, it says that we don't want to be delivered from this material ocean. We just want to serve. And then in one of the other slokas, he pleads with Krishna to deliver him from this ocean of death and fix him up as one of the atoms of his lotus feet. This seems to be a contradiction to me.
What is that contradiction? Please explain.
Well, it seems like you explained before that we should try to pray to be delivered from this material ocean. We should just try to serve Krishna wherever we are. To be delivered from the ocean of death needs to be a big taken out of this material.
That they nadanang najanang mama janmani sare bhavatu me bhakti ahoituki. Let me situated in your service. This is the prayer. And another prayer is Oi nanda tanuja patitang kinkarang mang visamay bhavam kripaya tava pada pankajasthita dhulisadisang biching. Another that you simply fix me up as a dust on your lotus feet. So, in one slok he says, you engage me in your service. In another slok he says, you fix me up as the dust of your lotus. What is the difference? There is no difference. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,